So the task for this week's warm-up was to finalize bump init and bump read methods. So here bump read, I basically got the values of the bump switches and assigned them to a variable. And I basically shifted the variables the variables to the correct position that they were supposed to be. And I got, by ordering them together, I can get one value together, and I performed the not operator on the string, and I bitmasked the value. And here it should return the basically it should return which bumps are being pressed. And here in the terminal, since I'm not pressing any buttons, not pressing any switches, 0 is being outputted. But it's important to note that the 0th bit should be outputted if the 0th bump switch is pressed, which I could do right now. So here is the 0th bump switch being pressed, and you can see that the 0th bit is being outputted, which has a value of 1. And same thing if I do the first bump switch. So the first bump switch, this should output 2, which we see is happening right now. And then if we do the second bump switch, it should output the second bit, which is 4. And I'm going to continue this for the next 3. So we see that 8, and we have value of 16, and then 32. And that's the last bump switch that's being pressed. And when we press multiple switches together, this also works well too. So here I'm pressing the 0th and first bump switch. So the 0th and first bit should be outputted, which gives us a value of 3. And when I press the 0th, first, and second bump switch, I should get a value of 7, since those 3 bits should be outputted. And I get that right there. And let's say that I press all the bump switches together, so all of the bits should be outputted. So I get a value of 63. Yeah, and so we see that it works well. It's able to basically output which bump sensors are being pressed, and yeah, that's it.